Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to activate your Apple credit card. On your iPhone, open the Wallet app. This is where your Apple credit card will appear once it has been issued to you. Look for your Apple credit card in the Wallet app. It will typically be listed with your other cards. Tap on your Apple credit card to view its details. If your Apple credit card needs to be activated, you should see an option or a message prompting you activate the card. This could be a button that says Activate or Activate Card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. This may involve confirming your identity, agreeing to terms and conditions, and setting up any additional security features. Once you have completed the activation steps, your Apple credit card should be activated and ready to use. You may receive a confirmation message or notification. If you haven't already set up Apple Pay with your Apple credit card and you want to use it for contactless payments, you can do so within the Wallet app. Follow the prompts to add to Apple Pay and set it as your default payment method if desired. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.